Your bunkie challenge is done. Congratulations.
I love the outdoors. So I want a bunkie that brings me outside and makes me want to soak it all in.
Ready to get down to bunkie business?
Let's have a look.
Okay, let's do it. Taylor and Meredad, they've got a couple activations. I like the games. They've connected it to the main house and done a little yoga setup, which goes with their wellness theme.
Oh. Build, sweat, repeat.
The floor is nice and tight. The shelving is a smart addition. I love the idea of a gym. I know that when there's access to a gym, people will book longer stays. In fact, you might do more working out on vacation than you do at home because you actually have time to do it. Welcome to Tatiana and Thomas's outdoor experience.
Outdoor shower.
Oh, wow.
I think for the kids coming in, like my kids love the sand and be able to bring them in here, hose them off. See what's inside. Look at this.
Oh, wow. I could see the boys playing a little poker out here at night.
All right. So you got a nice big bench. I wonder, did they make any storage underneath it? Oh, yeah, look.
Oh, hidden what?
Oh.
All right, Randy. 19. That was a dart throwing arm right there. This is fun.
Now we've got Marcy and Melissa. Flagstone walkway here.
I like that.
It's nice.
Nice.
Keeping off the grass. You sing, I'll just play.
There once was a guy from Newfoundland who came to Renovation Resort to give us a hand.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Oh, was that a trundle? See, I love this. There's a camera here and a guest book.
Oh, right in the eyeballs.
Oh, yeah.
My girls would be like, can we stay out in the bunkie tonight? This would be Shalon and Liz. Look at this tropical sensation.
Welcome to Junkanoo. Junkanoo is a big cultural celebration of the Bahamas. This is the first setup we've seen that's actually taking advantage of the reason we're here.
A lot of color.
Wow.
Look at that.
This mural really draws you in.
This is a little bit rusty.
Oh,
That's loud.
Where have we had the most fun so far?
This is awesome.
this one here, yeah.
I
This
feel
is
like
like-
this is the party.
Everybody needs a little Junkanoo in their lives.
I don't disagree with that. There's no other challenge in this competition where everything's been more different. We've got a really tough decision to make.
Yeah.